You know, President Biden is a... No, you know what? Never mind. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's John Muro. Welcome back to yet another video, another day, another vid. Thanks so much for tuning in. We love you. Good to see you, all you smiling faces. Today, we're going to break down the whole Social Security information that you need to know. And many of you have been asking whether your state is sending out another stimulus check. I have all that news for you in this video. We have the most up-to-date news concerning stimulus checks. We will give you all the information that is available. And right quick, real fast, do you guys prefer for me to read the information that's given, or would you rather see it on the screen? Just let me know down in the comments so I can make sure to keep you guys updated the way that you want. Kind of like Burger King, you can have it your way. We're gonna do a little bit of both today, so just let me know how it goes down in the comments. Guys, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the news. We have so many who watch, but they're not subscribed. It would really make my day if you could make that happen. I would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. We have so much to get into. Let's dive in. So more money is always better. Well, that's exactly what is happening for those on Social Security. For years, you guys have been forced to survive on a little amount that's been given out each month and hoping for the best. Now, updated today, this article says that in order to keep up with inflation, you guys should be getting $540 more per month because of how much things are costing. Now, looking at it this year, inflation has definitely skyrocketed. It just, honestly, it costs more to live. It just costs a ton more. Listen to this. Retirees know all too well that Social Security benefits don't buy as much today as when they first retired. To put it into context, for every $100 of goods or services that retirees bought in 2000, today they would only be able to buy $60 worth. That is horrible. How can anyone survive on less? If you're wondering how the math adds up, listen to this. Social Security benefits have increased by 64% since the year 2000. They have found that the expenses for typical seniors rose 130% during that same period. Yeah, the math doesn't really add up in favor of those on a fixed income. This means that in order to maintain the same buying power from the year 2000, Social Security benefits would need to be raised $540 more per month than they are right now. Guys, let us know down in the comments if you agree, and honestly, if they should go ahead and send you guys the money right now, and they should back pay you guys starting from January to say, hey, you know, we just want to give you guys extra money from January all the way to now, so that way you guys can catch up on some bills, maybe catch up on some things that you've been trying to do around the house, and literally take care of yourself. Let's face it, times are hard, and now is the time for Congress to step up and do something. In other words, make things right, because you guys deserve it. There's no reason why the United States shouldn't be taking care of their seniors, those on a fixed income like Social Security, SSI, SSDI, VA, survivors. You guys need help, and hopefully they will get things figured out soon. All right, for many of you who have been asking about whether your state is sending out another stimulus check, I have all that news for you right here. Let's jump on the screen. Stimulus update. Nearly a dozen states are preparing to send more money to residents. This was published today, May 17th, 2022. Frustrated with inflation and high gas prices, if you live in one of these states, more stimulus money could be heading your way in 2022. We understand the economic impact for over the year that things have just literally skyrocketed. We know that Congress has tried to extend the monthly child tax credit. They've tried this, they've tried that, and they haven't got anything done. But here are the states that are not relying on the actual government to get things done. They're actually taking matters into their own hand. And for many of you, you've been asking, well, what about Texas? What about Florida? What about my state? What's going on? What are they doing for us? And as far as I know, Oregon has done something, Maine has done something. All these states that I'm about to read are going to clarify which states are actually sending money out to their residents, or they're literally getting so close to getting this bill passed, that they're going to get money out to you guys. So let's look at these states. You've got California, you've got Illinois, you've got Idaho, you've got Maine, New Mexico, you've got Indiana, Georgia, you've got New Jersey, Virginia, New York, and Hawaii. These are the 11 states, guys, that have so far, they have pushed it through. Some of them have already got it passed, and some of them are literally at the very last part of it, so that way they can get checks out to you this month, in the month of May. Some are going to be in the month of June, but they're having to get it done now so that way they can get these checks out as soon as possible. We understand that everybody needs help right now with COVID trying to pick back up, with the pandemic things that we're literally still going through. Everybody could use a little extra money right now, especially with the comments that I've got from gas being $5. Like, that is mind-blowing, to pay $5 a gallon for just a gallon of gas. I mean, that doesn't really process to me, just because 2 years ago, we were literally paying $2 and some change for a gallon of gas, and now it's doubled, and then for some states, it's tripled. This doesn't look good at all. Can I ask you this? What is Joe Biden doing? He is the one that we're looking to for the answers. Him and his squad, the Democratic squad, they've got to get their things together. And yes, they can blame it on the Republicans. And yes, they can blame it on Ukraine and Russia. But there again, if they can pass a $40 billion bill for another country, you mean to tell me they can't figure something out for the United States? Guys, let me know down in the comments below how you feel about that. You know, I'm so glad that these states are doing something. I mean, listen, they don't have to do anything, but I'm so glad that they're trying to help their residents. They're listening to you guys, and they're trying to provide some relief. So let us know your thoughts and opinions down in the comments below. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter in to win a huge prize with us hitting our 70,000 subscriber goal. All the information is down below, and you can also enter in to win a $50 Visa gift card. All you have to do is smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card for your chance to win. I hope that this information helped. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all this news. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace!